Assalamualaikum and hi. Good morning to our lecturer, which is Dr. Muhammad Zulkarnain and my fellow friend. Today, me and my team will present impact of acoustic and vibration of Hvac on the human health and safety for subject BMMH 4593 Hvac apply acoustic and vibration. So we start with the team. Meet my team, which is Khairil Fitri bin Muhammad Amin, Muhammad Hamizan bin Adnan, and lastly myself, which is Nurin Demega binti Muhammad Yatim. Based on your knowledge, what is acoustic and vibration? This study that relates with every aspect of sound whenever audible or inaudible, including generation, propagation, detection, and even perception. Since Hvac system involve plenty of moving components, it's normal to have a sound vibration and noise indicate that an installation should be serviced, and they can also lead to another performance issue. So we start with a noise. So we can define noise as the unwanted sound and is made by pressure vibrations resulting from vibration air particles and pressure waves. Sound and noise can travel through the solid and liquid. Unit of measurement that we use for sound and noise is a frequency, which is hertz, and amplitude, which is a decibel, or we can say dB, and sound level meters. So next we go to the vibration. Vibration and noise has a sharp distinction between each other. So for your information, vibration is a mechanical oscillation, or we can say the intermittent motion of a particle. Vibration has a two types, which is a free and forced vibration. So first we go to the free vibration. Free vibration is the system briefly disrupt and then allowed to move freely. The force is applied and the object is left to vibrate at its natural frequency. Next is forced vibration. Forced vibration is a system repeatedly disrupted, forcing the object to vibrate at a certain frequency, resulting transfer of energy from the object to the environment. Measurement for the vibration we can use by displacement, velocity, or acceleration by using accelerometer.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Muhammad Hamizan bin Adnan, and for this slide I am going to explain about the impact of excessive noise on human health and safety. So first of all, exposure to 85 decibels of sound levels is considered an acceptable level of risk to hearing health in workplace. Higher intensity of noise exposure may cause damage to health in a shorter time. A sudden noise level of 140 decibels may cause immediate hearing damage. So the picture here shows the normal hair cells and damaged hair cells. So how does hair cells work? It helps to convert the vibration into electrical signals to be sent into our brain. And then our brain interprets the signal into a sound that we can recognize and understand. So what is the effect of excessive noise on human health? First, excessive noise can disrupt sleep quality. It will cause decreased human performance, awareness, and mental capacity, also causing nausea, dizziness, muscle cramps, and vomiting. Next, excessive noise also can cause stress. Stress can lead to a variety of health problems such as high blood pressure, increased heart rate, and mental health issues. The next effect is cognitive impairment. Noise also can give impact on cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and learning. It can affect the ability to concentrate and make decisions, which can lead to accidents and errors, especially in workplace. And lastly, hearing loss. Exposure to loud noise over a long period of time can overwork the hair cells in our ear, causing the cells to die. And the exposure also damages the auditory nerve that carries information to the brain. In terms of human safety, excessive noise can cause interference with communication. It can interfere with communication, making it difficult for people to hear each other, which can lead to misunderstanding and accidents. And next is difficulties in multitasking. Multitasking will be harder to be done due to distraction from environmental noise. Study shows that human finds it harder to get back on track after being distracted by noise, thus reducing productivity in workplace. So here are the few steps that we can take to control the noise in the workplace. The first step is identify the sound source, such as vibrating sources and aerodynamic flow. Next, identify the path of the noise from the source to the worker. Next, determine the sound level of each source. Determine the relative contribution to excessive noise each source and rank source accordingly. Know the acceptable exposure limits identified in the health and safety legislation and quantify the necessary sound reduction. And lastly, identify solutions by taking into consideration the degree of sound attenuation, operation, and productivity restraints and costs.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairi Fitri bin Muhammad Amin. My matric number is B0920104147. Okay, today I will talk about impact of vibration on human health and safety. Okay, first we have musculoskeletal disorder. Uh, if we exposed to the vibration for a long time, it can cause musculoskeletal disorders such as hand-arm vibration syndrome and back pain. This condition lead to pain, numbness, and tingling in the affected area. Okay, next we have reduced productivity and increased risk of accident. Vibration can also cause fatigue and discomfort, which can lead to reduced productivity and increased risk of accident in the workplace. Other than that, we have building damage. So, excessive vibration can also cause damage to building and equipment over time. It is because by transmitting vibration can cause displacement of the soil beneath the foundation, resulting in a loss of support to the foundation. Next, we have neurological disorder. Vibration can also cause neurological disorders such as vibration white finger, which is we can see in the picture. It can cause the fingers become white and numb. So the question is, how can we control the risk of excessive noise exposure? We can control the risk by eliminating source of noise if possible. Okay, we can, for example, we can install the sound barrier or substituting noisy equipment with a quieter one, or using personal protective equipment at workplace like earplug, headset, or use administrative control.
After you listening the explanation from my team, so we can make some conclusion for this topic. In conclusion, acoustic and vibration plays a significant role in especially in HVAC industry. Study in this area allow the manufacturing of equipment that can operate with minimal noise and vibration, lowering the risk of in terms of safety and health for humans. Our case study can also help to improve the understanding toward acoustic and vibration regarding its definition, purpose, and also the impacts that it may bring either in a positive or negative manners. So, And that's all from me and my team. Thank you so much for your listening.